What are you doing with that, honey? You go hang a bookshelf? Shelf of some kind? What? Oh! You gonna cook something? Oh! There you go. Wow! It's okay. What happened? It's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It just fell down. It's okay. You made big messes! Hey! You made messes! Is that a potato? Can you say potato? Can you put that back, please? I don't know where you found that. Hey, put it back. We found it. Hey, why are you taking that potato? Put it back. Come on. Put it back. We don't go leave potatoes around the house. House is dirty enough. Hey, put it back. Close enough, thank you. Careful, it's heavy. Don't drop it on your toes. You gonna fry that up? Need a campfire. Gonna boil potatoes? Why are you taking that? Need some water in there if you're gonna boil. Get your egg, wash your face. Hey, where's your washcloth? You're gonna wash your face with potato? That's silly. Or gonna give the potato to Kitty? I don't think potatoes are good food for Kitty. Maybe for puppies. What do you think? Yeah, maybe Hunter wants a potato? No, he doesn't like potatoes either. Hunter! Drop it. Guess what's going in the garbage? Drop it. Get it back from him, Allie. No, come. Hunter. Come. Hunter. Come. Thank you. Allie, can you throw this away? Come here. Allie. Come put this in the garbage. Here. Hey. Put this in the garbage. Yep, I threw it away. Cook me some lunch. You're so busy. Where did you take my strainer? I don't really know what you're doing here. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you gonna strain out here? Hey! Back? Can you say outside? Outside. Allie. Allie, can you say outside? Can I have that, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. Ride your horsey? Get up there. Get on your horsey. That horsey nice. So that's his tail. Where's your butt? Good job. The horsey's butt. Yep, good girl. Get on there. Hurry up, get up on your horsey. Oh, pretty horsey. Hunter? Go. You gonna ride your horsey? Get up there. Get up on your pony. Come on, mount up. Let's go, get on. How are you gonna go up, down, if you don't even get on? There you go. Oh, get up there. Need help? No? Okay. Wow, good girl. All right, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Good girl. Come on, up, down, up, down. Got a post. Wow. There you go. Are you getting off? Straighten the elliptical? Straighten myself on the elliptical. No, don't give it to him. Come on, right here. Let's go on the dishwasher. Can I have that, please?
No.
Okay, thank you.
No.
No, leave it open. Nope. Hey, hey. Leave it open. It's nice out. Leave it open. Where's your shoe? Hey, where's your shoe? Yeah, where's the other one? Wow.